All right, let's get down to torquing. So currently we are set. I'm probably not gonna be able to see it right now. Zoom it. Nope, not gonna work. Right now we're at 50. So sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in the rear. 50 foot-pounds to start, 105 foot-pounds for the final. 50. 50, 1, 2, 50, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Need to get a shorty first. So let's see. Let's go. Get the shorty. Rears are always tricky because it's harness plus the booster. 50. And we'll get that bottom one. Where are you? Right there. Okay. 50. And we'll 50 foot-pounds, 50 foot-pounds. We're gonna repeat. So you're gonna do one side, do your other, 50-50, good to go. And now we'll bump it up to 105, 110. The book shows 105. Here, VA, cylinder head. Let's see if we can get a focus. Cylinder head bolts in sequence. First step, 150. Second step, 105.